Hey guys, welcome back to the class. So as of now, we have completed the definition part under enterprise structure and we have already started the assignment as well. Today I am going to cover assignment area for the sales and organization. Believe me, this is going to be one of the key critical component and it is going to be more critical for the SD consultants, sales and distributions, because there will be n number of questions from the assignment segment itself for the sales and distribution. So it is highly recommended, suggested to give some extra time for the practice specific to the sales and distribution for the assignment. With that, let me start today's journey. So we need to type SPRO as a transaction code. So I'm typing SPRO, hit enter, then go to the implementation guide. Try to locate enterprise structure, then open the assignment. Let me give you one quick recap. So as of now, we have completed financial accounting, controlling, logistic general, and today I am going to cover sales and distribution. So there are around a few steps which need to be completed under sales and distribution assignment. So let me start one by one. So first assignment I am going to cover for the sales organization to the company code. For the definition, we can still follow the documentation and we need to execute line by line in order to make the complete assignment. So in this screen, I'll make the assignment between sales organization and company code. Okay. So click on the position button, try to find out your sales organization. So I have created RCC1 for my class. So you can see the mandatory sign here. So I'll assign my company code RCC1. Then I'll hit enter. I do have another RCC2. So I think system has requested to assign that company code for RCC2 as well. So let me assign both the company codes with the sales organization. So the moment you fill the company code against sales organization, then you will be able to see the company names as well. Now we need to save the record, select the CR, that's all. Now the interview question, we can assign one sales organization with one company, okay, or maybe one company code have multiple sales organization as well. For example, if I change the last one entry with the RCC1, you can see system has accepted both the scenario here. Okay, so in short summary, one company code can have multiple sales organization, but one sales organization cannot have multiple company codes. Okay, this kind of interview questions will be asked during the interview time, so please prepare yourself. And again, I'm saying to give some extra time for the practice specific to the sales and distribution assignment area. Let me go back. So I have completed the assignment between sales org and company code. Now I am going to assign distribution channel to the sales organization. Perfect. Go here, click on the new entry, provide your sales organization, then provide your distribution channel. Maybe we can use magnifier option here in order to find out the required distribution channel. I think we have created Q1. So this is direct channel for 029 and I can say Q2 is my indirect. That's all. Hit enter. You will be able to see the name of the distribution channel get appeared automatically. So in this step, you have assigned the sales organization with the distribution channel. Now save the record. Perfect. Go back one step more. Then assign divisions to sales organization. Same process, new entry, provide your sales organization, then the division would be RO. So this is R0 or RO. You can read as per your convenient. So try to save the record. That's all. So we have done the assignment between sales org and division as well. One step back. Then this is, we need to set up the sales area the moment you execute, and this is one of the most popular question during the interview. What is the definition of sales area? So and the quick answer would be the combination of sales organization plus distribution channel plus division is your sales area. Okay, so let me create that. Since we have two distribution channel, so maybe I'll type here Q1, then I'll give the division R0, then again RCC1, I'll type Q2 and then R0. Perfect. Hit enter. You will be able to see that you have created sales area, and sales area is the combination of sales organization, distribution channel and division. Now try to save the records. Perfect. Go back one step more, then assign sales office to sales area. Execute. Wait for a second. Let system respond. Click on the new entry. So we need to provide RCC1 as a sales organization, then the distribution channel, then the division R0 and the sales office RCC1. Okay, so similar way we need to provide the information for the second distribution channel. Perfect. Hit enter. So in this way we have done the assignment of the Q1 channel we have assigned with the R0 division and the sales office RCC1. Try to save the record. Perfect. And go one step back. So we have completed the assignment of sales office to sales area as well. Then we need to assign sales group to sales office. Sales group to sales office now. Okay, execute. New entry. So sales office would be RCC1, then sales group would be, I think we have created RCC as a sales group for the Gurgaon store. We have two store now, so we need to assign both the sales group here. So another one is RC1. Perfect. Hit enter. Try to save the record. Okay, then go one step back in order to pick the next one. So we have assigned sales group to the sales office. Now we need to assign sales organization, distribution channel and plant here. Same process. Execute. Go to the new entry, provide the RC1, then Q1, then the plant, then again sales organization, provide the second distribution channel and provide the plant here. Hit the OK button, then try to save the record. That's all. So you have done the assignment between sales organization, distribution channel and plant here. So the last step for today class, so assign sales area to credit control area. Perfect. Execute. Find out your sales organization, which is going to be RCC1. Now you can see there are two entry and it is just because of two different distribution channels. So we need to assign credit control area. Hit OK. That's all. Save the record. Done. So we have successfully completed the assignment part for the sales and distribution, and from the next video I'm going to cover the material management followed by logistic execution. Till the time, please do the practice. In case if you have any kind of question in your mind, please feel free to send me that question over the email, or maybe you can use the chat section. Trust me, I'll try my level best to answer that question or that query. Just I'll say best of luck. Do the practice. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.